Hi everyone, welcome to another session of Dharmapeetam. So in the previous sessions we had been dealing with tenses, and in that section we have dealt with the structure of all the 12 tenses in English and how different types of sentences like a positive sentence or negative sentence or questions are created using that particular structure. So the next thing that we have got as far as tenses is concerned is how different tenses are used, the usage of tenses. One major mistake that we all do when it comes to basically English grammar part is nothing else but we try to by heart these structures or usages. The problem with this is, even though we have different types of sentences in front of us when we are reading something, say for a textbook or a newspaper, we do not observe the structure or the tense that is being followed as far as the sentence is concerned. We purely keep both these aspects aside, the theoretical aspect and the practical aspect. So my sincere advice as far as this series is concerned is, try not to by heart the usages, but try to identify the usage of tenses that are being used in the sentences we read. When we try to analyze the passages or the essays or even the sentences in that particular way, it enhances the way by which we are using the language. Language using is a skill and it cannot be learned theoretically. So try to adopt this particular way of learning English. It makes us easy to use it again. So this is the approach that we need to take. When we read the sentence, try to identify the verb first, identify the tense form of that particular verb used in that particular sentence, and then identify which usage of this particular tense form is used in that particular sentence. And there are some other indicators as well which can help us to identify the type of tense that is used in the sentence. So there are different time phrases that we use in relation with some particular types of tenses and the different tense forms which I have already discussed in the previous sessions. So if we go ahead with this kind of an approach, it makes us easy to learn English faster and use it as well. So this is an advice that I would give you, or I would like to give you, because most of the people, even after spending years of learning, the process of learning English, are not able to use it. It is just because of this reason that we are not practicing it. Theoretically, by hearting the content, the structures, the usages and all these kinds of things will never help us. Try to relate what you have learned with what you have in front of you in the sentences or paragraphs or anything like that, and that can actually help us to understand the language in a deeper way, and we can even learn more things beyond what we have learned theoretically in the classes or the sessions or whatever that is. Okay? So from the next video onwards, we will be dealing with the usages of tenses. Follow it closely. Thank you.